thank you guys all for coming this afternoon to help out with our winter making event and coat drive here with City Year Chicago. Education has always been a very important thing to me, and something that I've always been looking for a way to help give back, and maybe eventually one day go back and teach or work in classrooms in some capacity. But for now, supporting City Year and all these fine folks who are in classrooms or have been in classrooms over the last couple of years, day in, day out, helping students succeed. And that's what City Year Chicago is really all about, is helping students, elementary students all the way through high school, get to school, stay at school, succeed in school, sometimes pulling them out of their classroom to have a little bit more focus, but let these guys tell you more about it. But really it's to keep the kids on track and graduating and develop them into future leaders. And many of these young adults here also, it's also about developing them and giving them opportunities to grow and learn, whether it's working with the students or meeting other people and making connections.